Are you looking for the best power stations? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best power stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. The Jackery 2000 Plus offers plenty of power, quiet operation, and expandable battery capacity, adding to its already impressive 2043 Wh capacity. The 2000 Plus provides fast charging capabilities, reaching 100% in under 2 hours through AC input. It supports up to 1,400 watts of solar input, which could achieve a full charge in around 2 hours under ideal conditions. To top it off, Jackery has a dialed app that can control functions such as custom battery and charge settings, and monitor your power station's battery and input/output. One tester noted, "I love the Jackery app. It's nice that it's so simple but still has everything you need without any over-the-top fluff." One drawback of the Jackery 2000 Plus is its less-than-stellar handle and wheel design. While it does help provide better mobility, the wheels feel flimsy and uninspiring on uneven terrain. Similarly, the handle is quite flimsy and has a lot of play when wheeling the station around. I also have my gripes with Jackery explicitly recommending only using their solar panels and providing proprietary solar connectors. For those with existing non-Jackery branded panels, buying a separate adapter is required. Despite these drawbacks, the Jackery 2000 Plus is one of the best options available when looking for a highly capable, large-form portable power station. For those that are looking for even more power, the EcoFlow Delta Pro has a whopping 3600 W capacity. Number 2. Anker Solix C1000. It's hard to beat the Anker Solix C1000 in the mid-size power station category. Compact yet powerful, the C1000 excels in off-grid applications where both battery capacity and portability need to be prioritized. At only 28.65 pounds, the C1000 can be lifted and carried easily by one person. And with 6 110-volt outlets in this unit, along with multiple USB-A and USB-C outlets, there's no shortage of plug options. However, the C1000's charging capabilities are where this power station really shines. During our timed charge test, the Anker took just 88 minutes to recharge a fully drained battery. If that's not fast enough, you can toggle ultra-fast charge mode through their app to cut charge time down to 65 minutes. Sentry Kelly, our lab tester, noted, "I really appreciate the ultra-fast charge option that I found useful while about to head out on a trip, and I realized I forgot to juice up the station." While it is best to use ultra-fast mode sparingly to avoid battery degradation, having the option to recharge quickly in a pinch is a huge plus. The Anker Solix C1000 isn't without its faults. One of the biggest is its noisy fan. In certain scenarios, such as using your power station overnight for heaters or CPAP machines, a loud fan can ruin a good night's rest. Additionally, DC 5521 barrel plugs are missing on the C1000. This can inconvenience folks who are using barrel plugs for camera equipment, lights, and monitors. Despite these minor nuances, the Solix C1000 is our recommendation if you are in the market for a mid-sized portable power station. If you need even more power but still want a mid-sized power station, consider looking at the Goal Zero Yeti 1500X. While it doesn't offer nearly the same level of charging speeds, the 1500X has a larger inverter, surge rating, and battery capacity for those power-hungry appliances. However, as Out Lab Tester notes, it's worth mentioning that I did experience some overheating faults while stress testing the Goal Zero 1500. Number 3. EcoFlow Delta Pro. The EcoFlow Delta Pro offers unparalleled power, with the ability to take on any appliance, tool, or gadget you throw at it. It's the largest unit we tested, with a 3,600-watt AC inverter and a 7,200-watt surge rating. With expansion capabilities high enough to back up your entire home, the Delta Pro is aimed at those with serious power needs. As our lab tester notes, during power output testing, I ran the Delta Pro at its max inverter wattage, which ran flawlessly for nearly an hour before fully draining its battery. For such a large power station, the EcoFlow Delta Pro also impressed with its fast recharge time. A full recharge from 0% took just 159 minutes. Although it's a big and heavy station, it's reasonably mobile. I personally thought it was fairly mobile for its size. The handle and the wheels are built really well. Despite the beefy wheels and handle, the glaring downside to the EcoFlow Delta Pro is its large size. At 97.24 pounds, the Delta Pro is better suited in your home's garage than it is out on a camping trip. Even with a telescoping handle and wheels, this power station takes up considerable space and is difficult to haul around. This unit is also quite pricey. While you get what you pay for, the sticker shock associated with the Delta Pro is real. If you're looking for a large, capable power station that's a little easier to move around, the Jackery 2000 Plus offers slightly lower power capabilities and a weight of just 62 pounds. Number 4. Jackery Explorer 300. If you are searching for a compact portable power station for on-the-go activities, the Jackery Explorer 300 is our recommendation. This unit is ideal for charging phones and laptops or running small appliances like lights and fans. Its small form makes it an extremely versatile option. Whether you're using it for camping, outdoor work, or supplementing your photography needs, the Jackery 300 is packable and easy to carry. I love that it's super portable. It's easy to grab and go. With a 300-watt AC inverter and a 500-watt surge, this unit still packs plenty of power. During our power output testing, we found that it had an extremely impressive usable capacity of 98%. Having a high usable capacity in a small power station is extra important to maximize the available battery. While I have no major complaints with the Jackery 300, there are a few small issues. The first is the absence of a built-in LED light, similar to the Anker 521. While not a deal-breaker, having a light on a smaller power station is handy during power outages or for the inside of your tent while camping. Secondly, having a built-in function to estimate discharge time would prove useful in understanding how much battery remains when a device is plugged in and drawing power. If you're willing to sacrifice a few performance points for a lower price, the Anker 521 is sufficient for charging a phone dozens of times, power tools a few times, and can even charge a camera or laptop once or twice on one charge. Number 5. Anker 521. If you're looking for a small, reliable power station without breaking the bank, the Anker 521 is a great choice. Small enough to stash in your backpack but equipped with a 200W inverter, the 521 can run lights and fans, charge devices, and run a TV no problem. Its unibody design helps avoid disaster if accidentally dropped, and the use of LiFePO4 batteries means this power station has a long-lasting lifespan. Anker also offers a 5-year warranty on the 521, longer than the industry standard of 2 to 3 years offered by most manufacturers. The 521 also has a mix of port options, including multiple USB-A, USB-C, and car outlets. One of our favorite elements of the 521's design is the light. As our tester noted, I really like the lights on these Anker systems. It's pretty unique, and it's great if you set it on a picnic table at camp. One area where I would have liked to have seen better results from the 521 is a higher usable capacity rating. Our testing resulted in a usable capacity of just 75%. This means the remaining 25% of power is unattainable when charged from 100%. A higher usability score is especially important in small-form power stations to maximize the available watt-hours. Still, the Anker 521 is a well-designed, durable power station for those on a budget venturing into portable power stations.